What's up guys, it's Kelly and today I've got another swatch review for you. So today I am partnering up with Ice Cream Nails to show you guys their brand new Christmas 2021 nail polish collection. So we've got 5 brand new nail polishes and all of them come in the limited edition ornament boxes. So you can actually hang them on your tree, which I feel like is so awesome. And then we also have 3 brand new striper polishes. So Ice Cream Nails is actually a really deceptive brand. They come in these little ice cream cone shaped bottles, and when you see them, you think that that's the exciting thing about them, but they actually happen to have really incredible colors and really incredible formulas. They are a breathable and plant-based formula. They're 10 free, meaning they are free of 10 of the potentially harmful ingredients that are often found in nail polish. They are vegan, meaning they do not use any animal-derived ingredients, and they are cruelty-free, meaning they do not test their products on animals. So in this collection, we've got 1 full coverage color, and then we've got 4 glittery toppers, and then we have 3 holiday themed striper polishes. So they come in those longer nail polish bottles that have the really long thin brush that you can use for nail art. So yeah, let's just get into the swatches and then we'll talk about pricing and availability. So roll the footage. So as with all of my swatch and review videos, I am going to be using base coat underneath all of my swatches just to protect my natural nail and prevent any stains. Today I am using the Cuccio base coat, so I'll link it below. We'll start off with the first shade, which is called Super Elf, and this is actually a full coverage micro glitter. So I actually didn't realize this until I started applying it, but you can see it actually is just a clear base absolutely packed with these tiny green metallic micro glitters. And oh my gosh, this color is so beautiful and shiny. It definitely feels like a perfect Christmas green, but really also an any time of year green. I love that very cool tone that it has. It gave me good coverage in 2 coats. If you have longer nails, you might need a third for this one because I do have shorter nails, but I just love the finish of this and I love that it is a full coverage color. Next up we have the shade Disco Christmas, which is one of the 4 toppers, and oh my gosh, I had the hardest time capturing this color. It's a really beautiful micro glitter. It has fuchsia, yellow, blue, and green micro glitters in here, but once I put it over black, it actually looked stunning in real life. It honestly looked like a spacey galaxy sort of manicure, but it was so impossible to see all of the beautiful glitters on camera, so I ended up trying it over white. I feel like you don't get as much of that beautiful starry effect, but you can still get an idea of how it looks. Honestly, you could wear this over any color and I think it's really beautiful, but I especially loved the way that it looked over black in real life. Next up we have the shade Reindeer Poop. This is another glitter topper, and this one has red, green, gold, silver, and blue glitters running throughout. And this is another one, I had a hard time capturing all of these, to be honest, so if you think they look good on camera, just please know that they look 10 times better in real life, so I think you'll like them a lot more in real life. But this one, I thought it looked so cool over black. It actually reminded me of that like bokeh that you get when cameras have stuff that's like out of focus and there's like those little circles of color. That's what this reminded me of over black, but I figured I would show you guys what it looked like over white as well, just because it was so hard to see over the black. And it's kind of crazy. I feel like it looks like a completely different polish over white. It almost looks like the glitters are smaller over white than they looked over black, so kind of an interesting funky thing, but I think this would be actually really cool for glitter placement, especially because you can kind of pick out each individual color as well. Next up we have the shade Snow Globe, and this was actually my favorite of the collection. It's so strange because I didn't love the way that it looked in the bottle, but on the nail it looked so stunning. It has all sorts of different colors and sizes of matte glitters, but then we also have these white satin glitters that have a little bit of sheerness to them. So this honestly does look like snow falling, and then you just have this variety of colorful glitters in there. At first when I applied it, for some reason it actually just had like blue and gold glitters and it looked so beautiful and festive, but I popped a little red glitter in there just so you could see a little bit more color, but absolutely love this one. And the final shade that we have, another glitter topper, is called Angel Wings, and this one is an iridescent hex glitter topper. And again, I had to show you guys over black and you could barely see the iridescence on camera, but again, this looked so stunning in person. I want to actually try doing a full glitter placement nail of this. I feel like it would look so cool and sparkly and 3-dimensional. I ended up trying this one over green because for some reason I thought that that might be able to show the colors a little bit better, but it ended up just looking like iridescent polish over green. So I actually definitely prefer this one over deeper colors. I probably should have picked a darker color for this, but totally love this one in real life as well. So here are all of the polishes together, and I have to say I feel like this is my least favorite screen screenshot that I have put together because this does not do these beautiful colors justice. I feel like even my videos didn't do these justice. So just taking a screenshot of my nail absolutely does not show how beautiful and dimensional these glitters are. I really want to play with them a lot. I feel like they're perfect for nail art, especially for anything glitter placement. I love when I have these sort of uniform glitters to work with. It's just so much fun. So yeah, really beautiful. They look fine on camera, but I feel like in person, they just look incredible. So those are the polishes, and honestly, I really enjoyed them. I feel like glitter is something that I always seek out during this time of year, especially for the holidays. I just love feeling very festive and sparkly, so I'm really excited to see a lot of cute glitters in here. Like I said, we also have the 3 striper polishes. So we have 1 solid color and 2 glitters. We have the red polish, which is called Go Go Gumball. We have a green glitter, which is called Mint Patty. And then we have a holographic gold glitter, which is called Celestial Being. So those are really great for nail art or for doing little detail stuff on your nails. And I feel like I could also use this brush to create a glitter gradient on my nails. Actually, I feel like I could glitter gradient all of the glitters I just reviewed. So the regular nail polish bottles come in 10 milliliter bottles, and they retail for $13.50 USD each. The striper polishes retail for $11 USD each, or you can get a bundle of all 3 of them for $27 USD. And I also have a discount code. You can use the code KELLI20 to get 20% off your order, so I will put that down in the description below. They also will be doing some Black Friday sales, so if you sign up for their newsletter on their website, you can get early access to their Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. But just so you guys are aware, a lot of their holiday collections, like their Christmas one and their Halloween one, tend to sell out really fast, so there is a chance these might be gone before Black Friday. So just be aware of that during your shopping. But yeah, I really enjoyed these polishes. Also, I just want to give another quick mention because in my last ice cream nails video, I talked about their nail art palette and their new nail art brushes. I did a video review of them already, so definitely check that out. But I have been using them a lot lately and I really love them, so definitely recommend those as well. But yeah, I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of this collection? Which of the glittery polishes is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy my swatch and review videos, please give this one a thumbs up. It lets me know I'm doing a good job. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I put out new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. And I'm also doing occasional Thursday videos. And I'm also on Twitch every Friday morning doing a nail art live stream, so I'll link that down below as well. Huge shout out to my Cosmic Admirals on Patreon, Amanda M, Braxton Scott, and Rocket Man's daughter. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Today's fun fact question comes from Patreon supporter Caroline, and Caroline wants to know, what is the biggest blunder you've had when trying to make a video? You always make it look so perfect. This is actually a great fun fact because I have been compiling my bloopers for actually this entire year. I will say, I feel like it's kind of a tricky situation because I feel like sometimes people kind of ham it up for YouTube, and I'm not really a person who does that. The only time I mess up in a video is if I'm just genuinely messing up. I don't have like random dance parties or anything like that. But I did think it would be fun to do a blooper reel, so at like the tail end of 2020 leading up to this year, I did start saving my bloopers, and I don't have too many. I think the video is like 5 minutes long right now. I was gonna wait until the end of the year, and I wouldn't be posting it on this channel. I'm gonna post it on my vlog channel, so if you aren't following that channel, definitely subscribe to that one because that is where you will see my bloopers. But yeah, maybe I'll post that this week actually, because I was gonna save it for the end of the year, but I really don't have bloopers that often. I don't know. I'll probably post it soon. To answer the question, I don't make that many mistakes, but when I do, now I have them saved. So there will be a video on that so you can see for yourself what my biggest blunders are. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.